Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to delete your bio on Facebook. Whether you're looking to clean up your profile or just want a fresh start, this quick guide will help you get it done in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding. Next, navigate to your profile. To do this, tap on your profile picture or name, which is usually located at the top of the app's main screen. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. It's typically located just below your profile picture and cover photo. Tap on it to access the editing options for your profile. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Bio. This is where any text you've added as a short description about yourself will appear. Tap on the Bio section to open it. Finally, to remove your bio, simply tap on the Remove option. Confirm your action if prompted, and just like that, your bio will be deleted from your Facebook profile. And there you have it. Your bio has been successfully removed. You can leave it blank or update it with new information whenever you're ready. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.